Welcome to the Be Well Informed online course. This course is intended for South Carolina residents who rely on a private residential well for drinking water. Our goal for this course is to educate and empower those residents so that they can take action and ensure their access to clean drinking water.
The instructors of this course have created a series of educational videos, fact sheets, and other resources that will help you gain confidence in your ability to maintain your well. In Module 1, you'll learn basic concepts about groundwater and factors that could impact your groundwater well. In Module 2, you'll learn about the different components of your well and what maintenance is needed to keep it running. And in Module 3, you'll learn about when to test, what to test for, and possible treatment options. You can refer back to the fact sheets created for Be Well Informed long after taking the course by visiting hgic.clemson.edu and searching Residential Drinking Water Well. By the end of this course, you'll be more familiar with the equipment that makes up your well and know steps you can take to maintain it. You'll be able to collect a water sample to send off for testing, understand water quality test results, and take action to ensure your access to clean drinking water. To learn more about Clemson's Water Resources Program, visit clemson.edu/water resources.